today's DIY wall mural, we are going to make lemon patterns, and for that I am choosing colors red and pink. With the help of chalk, first draw a circle and then draw triangles inside the circle. Alternatively color them with red and pink. You can choose green, you can choose blue, you can choose yellow, you can choose any color. Then make some uneven round shapes inside the lemon a bit smaller and outside the lemon a bit bigger. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos. See ya!